December 13th, Corpus Christi, Texas. A Florida bankruptcy judge has approved a settlement for the victims of the deadly bridge collapse in Florida. Don't ask me. It's about how it ties into this whole FIG still being allowed to perform with this other bridge in Texas. One of the dots people said no to this bridge, and now to another bridge, to one bridge, now to another bridge. The person saying that FIG is okay. Let's play it. Okay, let's play or not play. I'm going to recycle the page, I think. Yep, recycle page for you guys. Bear with it. You can hear the reload this page. Okay. We'll blow off this commercial and get to the content. Although the group had been named in a negligence lawsuit, is not part of the $103 million settlement announced yesterday. The FIG group, which was involved in the design of the new harbor bridge, also designed the Florida bridge. A negligence lawsuit is not part of the $103 million settlement announcement yesterday. Has been named in a negligence lawsuit. So it is not part of the $103 million settlement yesterday. So it appears that a negligent lawsuit is still coming forward. Yeah, I don't know how that works out. Really? Come on.
Injured when a bridge collapsed at Florida International.
It doesn't like that, does it? Sorry, guys. Let's see if it plays.
Well, Florida bankruptcy judge has approved a settlement for the victims of a deadly bridge collapse. 6 people died, 10 others injured when a bridge collapsed at Florida International University in March of 2018. The FIG group, which was involved in the design of the new harbor bridge, also designed that Florida bridge. Although the group has been named in a negligence lawsuit, it is not part of the $103 million settlement that was announced yesterday. Now, back in October, the National Transportation Safety Board determined that FIG group engineers did not properly estimate the strength of.
Let's stop there. I do have a FIG FOIA request towards NTSB. NTSB is just blowing me off, man. They're going to destroy the papers. They got 90 days pretty much, and they destroy papers. I was going to share with you guys, maybe it's over here in some tabs. Okay, so some things dealing with that. So FIG is still licensed in Florida. FIG Bridge is current. There's your license number. Let's go through some tabs here. Again, there's Denny Pate, current in Florida, Florida, 228. Let me knock this tab out. And then we go again. There's a same license number, but a different category or something like that. But let's move back. Let's bounce over here now. So there's the Figgy thingy. Bounce one more. No, let's move away from that. Was I showing you this for a reason? This is the type of bridge that it deals with in Florida, and you would. So FDOT approved specialty engineers, and these are the FDOT approved specialty engineers. And on this, you will not find FIG. On this, you will also not find the NTSB engineers that did the evaluation. So they were also unqualified to do the evaluation. That's number one for me, guys. Is that how can you send 2 people that are unqualified to on a type of structure like this to evaluate a type of structure like this? And that's part of your complaint, saying that FIG didn't use qualified people to evaluate the structure and its capabilities. Well, those 2 engineers from NTSB were not qualified. None of them were qualified by NTSB standards of being qualified in Florida for evaluating the bridge structure. Coming over here, well, they're writing NTSB. It's the timeline has sort of been extended a little bit. See, issue date on 11/12. if you just issued a message to certain parties, including FIG, to respond back. And they have so many days to respond back. Maybe now the clock is a little extended. But I'm going to talk to the head of FOIA, the governmental head of FOIA, Monday to see if I can, why is my request being knocked down? I'm not asking to see dead bodies. I know all the rules there. I just want to see I don't want to see, I would like to see the arguments to take place. NTSB says they don't have to give you arguments, part of their exemption. So if they're arguing about how things happened, that we the public are not allowed to see that. We're only allowed to see who the winner, if you will. The victor goes to spoils. So we don't get to see if someone was in opposing statements. So I'm asking for field notes. I'm asking for photographs in the field. Right now they're giving us this junk couple of photographs, but we saw cameras out there by the tons, right? By the NTSB people. I want to see the photographs. Don't give me narrative. You can block the narrative. Just give me the photographs. It's very hard to find the report, but the letter provides information about our 2019 highway accident report, pedestrian bridge collapse over Southwest 8th Street, Miami. This is to Linda Figg, president, stating the NTSB's position. They just sent this to her on 11/22, I believe, 11/12. Got it back, 11/12. So she has so many days to respond back and say, hey, my position is this. And then they'll just put it to the tail end of everything. They won't come forward again and say, oh, we like your position or not. It just gets thrown into the tail end of all the pile. H19-024. H-19-024. Await response overall. So they're still waiting for response. It's still open. That's what I'm using to help extend my request. I'm still trying to get this request, guys. I really want to get these photographs going for us. I know there are a lot more photographs present, and they're just being a pig about it and not releasing them. The NTSB is. They did the report. They said I went to that report. I don't see all the photographs. I see narratives, but I don't see the photographs of all those people, that all their workers that were out there. I've just shown you what I've trolled through, and it's not an easy pass. This is a lot of reading. A lot of it's redundant notifications to Fig Engineering, for example. That was Linda Fig. Now this one's to Fig Engineering, same date. This is the narrative. You can pause it and read it if you like. I can give you the link if you so desire. I don't know where what you're going to do with that fully. It now looks like this. If you come to the National Transportation Safety Board, look for pedestrian bridge collapse over Southwest 8. Highlight this, throw it in this box here, and you should get the same roundabout robin to that location. Let me make sure that's still working. Let me show it to you. No, it did not. All right, so you get there. Let me back up one. And so you'll get that. I've got to stop. But I'm just telling you guys, I haven't abandoned that structure or that idea there, and I'm waiting for a welder to get finished. They're putting a new board on my welder I'm most in love with. Once they do that, I'll do some models. I even have a model with some screws I've been working on to show hinge points, show how things react. I think I'm about there to show it, but kind of busy right now. So, getting this out to you tonight. Take care.